She, when you are banning why you know. Maybe a name may be chill, Margaret.
So, no, my baby.
When you miss some of us, it's Scanty. On your home beside.
Scanty, dear, me sure says Scanty bit my ass. I do the Scanty, dear baby. Ah, Scanty, men and theatre, meaning do you ask Scanty city here? Because on your maybe will bit my but wait, dear. Me sure. Scanty to me. On a comment to Miss Adi.
A dinner na Scanty, pre. Second in free school.
Oh, no,
Maybe I'm a teacher. And I'm so intelligent school kakra.
They
Intelligent.
okay.
You be intelligent college kakra. And your map me nipa who didn't come say ya. Me show when him sana me ko translate. Na me ye experimenta. Na me the name go aso yes na me check name ma.
Na your foundation.
Na me ye foundation na bi am to blog na me bob plaster. In same do wa metime hu se wo nipa so mesisi adwene ne wo tirim. Sabe yamfa se kan pa nipa tirim. Na eso so nipa no asem na ma hu adwene a wo ni tirim. Eti ntina na me ofa ase Scanty. Na all pamu ge ni say o ma ne masku wa ha o ma ne masku wa. Yen sheda men ka se bia bibi so but yen nyina no 2 size 2 4x4 says 2 equals to 2 tiflim yen check ne ma rade.
Say ban sa de ne ono Scanty on date na opese me nyane free school mo aye girls na on ne girls na wo school mo ani ntia wo e man na masam na wo ye no enu ntina na opese me nyane beba school mo a mesuna me pese me nyane be ko school fufuro bia na bia akoye nkwa bo ne sema na se bibi ntina me je ma ade tina no oh
na nim say nwiafo kura so ba ko aku ba ko da
ah ebisi da
me say bisi
ah ebisi
nwiafo mienu akura timi wo wo ho se kan ku ba ko. Do you remember Cain and Abel?
yeah, the one the Bible.
What happened to the Cain and Abel? What happened?
So that one I frustrate.
You frustrate, yeah. The true what you see baby so. The true what you see baby so. Because I didn't maybe one more fast no. Me nim the entire for pamo akura na free school mu. And I said the ensemness yakwaye no. Could be say a bia no fast no. A bit to me, a bit baby again.
Scanty.
Yeah. Try as I'm not crying to save you.
Scanty dear. Scanty, no, Sandy might be said, dear. Me sure Scanty bit me.
Some amount to evidence.
Yeah.
A dear and Tina knows again in free school and car or Pamano. I feel so cross up a yefuna will bet me come back. Obi to me won't walk out on a balcony. But I own 1 year, my dear. And now for 4 minutes to me warm a second.
So Scanty to me, yes, I do. We are being one.
I then a Scanty were pre plaza. And then honey plan.
Scanty and Casamituno for Nancy and you. Nancy Monso to boys be moto so. Now me 10 is a moto now for ye. 2 times a moto ni be na in a for moon.
Nay, then I pay no pam again as I free school, men peso over school, men peso over school.
Send on a mature say Massamunti precious in the balcony and the Cynthia.
Some said it. Yen kana kase obanyan safo yebune be yen kana sem ampa kutukum wo hintre wo no yentum de kanko na ya
akona yi ase
bi ase so nse chi be yoda
nse on say
aboa bi aso wo wu an takra mafo pase na so de me yonko no ne hey aboa no se sole ye nyina so no nkasa sole me nko an so o free we so a
obaso
ya hwe me ko why
hey so Scanty to me yes I do we pa be mo won like I'm still thinking about it.
You have to think about that.
Hey.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Yo, oh, I'm calling you. See your condition, Scanty.
To me, Ben, I was say, oh, friend, I mean, feel quite to Ben.
I have to tap you because you are fooling. You see what you're doing? Listen, what will make a good friend do this to his friend? You call him a good friend, right? He's the reason you are doing all this. Now,
what am I doing?
Your time will surely come, Adams. The question is one, why do you want me to suffer?
Because you are a wicked boy.
Because I am a wicked boy.
A wicked boy.
I'm a wicked boy. Adams, why do you want me to suffer?
I want you to suffer because you're a wicked boy.
So everything what is going on is intentional, right? What should I know you're winning?
I said that. You also said that the year, man.
What did I do? My order. Yo, where did I meet you?
You mean to me canny now? But who hear me, baby? Who hear me, baby?
Precious was my girlfriend. My girlfriend.
And Amma was my Amma is my friend's sister. You know, counsel.
You don't even know what you're saying, Adams. I am trying my best to solve it. Anna, oh shit, Jenna. What are you doing this? Why? Bro. Why are you doing this?
Like case near me, I feel na maybe war selling my jail going to police case. Or no, also local police station because the name's a criminal. And nothing no crime on call. You come here, what was it? Now call the police station. But them.
Adams.
Yeah. You are hurting me.
I am hurting you.
Why? You are hurting me.
How?
In some ways, I can't tell. You are hurting me.
How am I hurting you, bro? You wanted Precious and I left her for you. I left Precious for you, bro.
So why should you go for Amma? My friend's sister. My best friend's sister. Why should you go for her? It hurts me.
It is hurting you.
She's my friend's sister, so
and
hurting me.
What is wrong with me dating your friend's sister? Your friend doesn't have any. You know he has a problem, but I know say my J is not that tough. You know me no kind in the cool. I knew say na dream bafom. Now say he was. All of a sudden, boom! This.
Well, Casantona, me call him to 2 minutes now. You're there, bedroom.
Scanty, I want to know why you are doing this. I don't know what you say. Intimate, Bonnie Ben, I'm there. What have I done to you?
And I said, Onyam Bonnie also. Why should you also go for Amma Bretta? You know very well that
I left the girl. I left this girl for you. I left Precious for you, stupid boy. I left Precious for you. What? Are you mad?
Aroma.
I left Precious for you. What do you want from me again?
You're a wicked boy.
I'm a wicked boy. I feel not wicked
boy. What's me plans? What do you say? Don't have Bonnie chronic.
Really? I know. Say me quack with them. Right? Also, over my action.
You're a wicked boy, but don't.
Also, be call hospital, bro. Trust me. No, mark my words. I am telling you.
Hospital need you open there.
Well, I will go. But I will also be call. You know what? You know what I'll do to you? You don't have any idea, right? No problem, Mate. You can go. Be down for why?
Be down for your manager, but down for your manager.
Me down for your manager. Thank you very much.
Because down for them, my katame your management in now cry me okay. Then person do you on see a timid free so cry now down for the bar me okay. Right. When I'm in deal. Right.
The party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord.
Adams.
Adams, you be sour sen. My same yana me be sour Adams. Adams, unim baby I'm a Brita wo.
Asama udi can be say
Adams.
One we pram into udi can be sasa be chronocrat say. Udi can we pram into Adams we net say okọ hospital. No kasa no
Ade ase me dwene kɔ hɔ. Anya wo yare ne ho asɛm tina me frɛ o ma ba ha.
Wa no ma we.
Ana me pesa me kyerɛ sɛ nya wo yare ne ho tina me frɛ o ma ba ha. Mimi nua na wa yire no, etina me bisa o. Yo, bro. Me pesa me yɛ ade bi. Na etina me yankasa masa nu me ho. Etina Adams me bisa o no. Me nua no, wa hu ba bi a wo.
Ai ku nua de me de hu ba bi o.
Hu ba bi a me nua o.
Ku nua de.
Ade Adams. Can't catch you. Can't report it. My report to my police for. So, I'm seeing Jano Munyo make you man.
Now, who call police station, man?
Who can't cause as much? I am to a Kuniba.
And
I'm to a Yadi, and I'm to a Mobori.
Ah, when him your suspect.
When me a suspect, me wa. I catch you. Any Makwako report. Me now, me name so suspect, and me Makwako report. Munina. Obia. So be as who no.
Ti ma report obi a.
Aroma ne beche no.
Mate.
Beche no.
Bema. Bibi nimpo aka kire mo ate. Ka kire me. Adams.
Me dey me ama dey bibi na odi ama boy school mu akra ho na entertain no. Me am entertain no. Every time a person dey free school mu akra me na me ka bi mo say ye ma akra na ntina ha. Na me dey me den dey ama akoshe baby.
Adams.
So,
Adams me ne odi. Hwe, ye nyina e one family.
Ujina baby na joint me kasa.
Oh, they be sitting na me ben on ye one family.
Oh, so ben me na me yem hyehyɛ me.
E ma ye mo hyehyɛ.
To on sam.
Hwe, odi oni baby ama brita wa aka kire me. Enya lie bia, ati.
Like, ama yira na wa yira na de. Lokre ne say on. Se wan kwa Aroma wa, we no be ya chew. Wan kwa Aroma wa.
Odi e baby e be fa bia, o be fa wa.
Ai,
Ha? Baby e be fa bia, o be fa wa. Agini. Baby e be fa bia, o be fa.
me no aba me no. This phone too much. Nipa no me proud so I was this phone do.
Me see me no.
My plan the affair the enfa bi mu. Plan na plan ni my affair the mint me bi. Send say honti. Wo ma be ni su kono market we akwa ko jeja me ho ama no. My akora won hye me wonye me hye say. Me the mint me bi mu. Mint me the akwa na me ka no kra che headmaster na me ho atom you.
Santo ka kan no kra bay. Eti wo ne first person wo twa ntura na Santo a. Ha? Asanto a. Asembe na wo to a wo kan sa. Dia sam na wo kan sa.
Akwa na wa ma edi wa ma me di nyinsa na hye no won hye me plan ya uji tu mu se wo be hye akwa na nyina enko ne sa ti me de wo se me ma obi ehu de wo mu.
Ade a wo ye no pese de anim guase ba won.
Enim guase.
Ha? Asanto a stop problem.
Mae, Dabi, so de na masi kwani nya sa na plan no. Nya sa na plan no. Hye, me meka che obi am.
Ne plan ne say.
Ama me ne akrawe akwa deda sukon mawe di akwa deda di nyinsa yakwa hye no. Me kra me to kra na me kai se me di nyinsa ya shobi ba na ye me ya. Me yem kwati me hye me se ade anya akra me di ahye no. Eto da ya na ne ho ye me bo nso wo se me hye da eyi mani katakata ne ma so. But ma yesisi afom me. Me kwa ko bo headmaster man.
Wo ko bo headmaster man e. Asanto ajai sa shurume no. Asanto ajai shurume no. We just a crack it on and a codan, and you now pen I don't want
say chase, say chase,
and you want to open I don't want
say chase. When I can't say me found Koyo, Nanka my family home and Uncle Bed near the Ashano. And I come the question and come the question is star bay.
Child, you're okay, Canon. Let no needs and one baby. Me dinner now, baby.
Me,
you dinner now, baby. Asantoa,
my fed up.
I want you fed up, no coin.
My fed up.
Oh, you're fed up, echo. Do you understand the fed up? Ah, what is the window will be a bit? From food, I mean, you said, be any own. Ah, me from food, I said, be any own.
And you quote the way I can. See, my fed up. As my come and what to my man, I fade the afro from me, I brought me so. See, I dear, may my MRJ may quack.
Ah, Asantoa, Asantos, Santos, Santos. Shit. Hey, Santos. I'm saying, Nguasia galon ma. Say, chasing come the master more for Catam for you. Hey, we go come some say Asantua Matam for Yame. Asantua Magana for Yame. There be Gary me Bunico. Me Binico, crab fast to crack enough we are.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwa, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah, me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come anymore.
Until you open so yammy. From full idea, who press so yammy, I would make a training was here when you found full air. Mimi, my uncle shut and quan. Ah, me bois. What person in Guas will school me? I'm a bois. What person in Guas wrong?
Say no.
How any man in Guas say, Guma? Miss Pocket, this is come out, catch him so they are to shoot. Who can't continue my mother? Away.
Say me catch them in the back.
Away. Sican away.
Oh, no, home, a car keji.
I can't that then can't catch
One of them.
None of them, Zavan.
Oh, this is one face.
As we told him, Gassim. I'll not punch you many more. As we told him, Gassim. Sure, I've been casting being show. Girl, see. Also, call mammy ho, Akako na mane, me will call mammy wa, me phone, it's only again as my human self him.
Oh, sir.
My human summer, all room or call my Wako Catherine. Scomus bear 70 million away.
Sir, men patron.
Sikana way, I kept from Joe. Adams and a pancho. Sikana way.
Sir, missing this kind of.
Hey,
Telling you to us. Mr.
I will eat some Akabenezer wool. From Pula, some Akabenezer wool. Massa, the human sa. It's a simple one again. As I'm so call my Wako Catino. Or yeah, on an assembly. Maybe anybody, Manon Cassam Stanway.
Send me this kind of beba. I walk more to him.
Have from Fuller, men try.
So on your from fooling. Sir, Messi walk more to him. Ada, me this kind of beba.
We are Zappa. What it? Who come and must own? Who says you will be at me in Kao? Macacho, when again, I said, my humans are all come on or come on, when I'm on the that's all.
Sir Chains. Sir,
are you call me Sir Chains?
Sir,
are you call me Sir Chains? Stupid why you one nigga. What's up with you? What's the money? I give you money to give you the girl, but it don't give you the girl.
So I'll give the girl.
I just think I'm a fool. No. But what's up? You put me to shame. Come to shame. Hey, you see.
Sir, Sir Chains. Sir.
You stop this call me Sir Chains.
Kanye, what does Adams want from me? What at all does Scanty want from me? Why is he doing that?
I have no idea. I don't even know what he will get from all this. I don't know that he has been paid to do this, because I don't understand why he is involving himself in this matter.
He's not just involved, he has taken the case and he's much involved than my J.
That is what I don't get. And I feel like it's because you guys had an issue. But it's in the past, like it's been so long.
He wanted you and I left you for him.
I don't know. I actually don't know. I sincerely can't tell. I don't know. I can't make the head or the tails out of this. I can't even tell why he's so involved.
I heard that they said the police, my J said he's going to report the case and Scanty is the one behind it.
I told you to report the case. I told you that you lead and report it. I don't know what they have against you. And I think maybe you were not in good terms with my J, and Scanty's friend is my J, so I'm sure that's why Scanty is making a big deal out of this.
Why should he make a big deal out of this? Because the last time I checked, I don't have any problem with you, Scanty. I don't have any problem with you, so why would you want me to be in trouble? Why?
I don't even know. I don't know. I would have to meet him and ask him, because I don't know.
Yes, please do that for me. Yes. Can you do that for me? Ask him what he wants from me. Why he's doing this.
And Scanty is really hard to open up. Like, it's hard for him to open up and tell me that this and this is the reason. But I'll try.
So what do you suggest I do? Ways. What should I do?
I don't know. I don't know. I advise you. And one thing is that when I advise you, don't listen. You decide to go about your ways. And then you end up coming back to me to tell me that this and this had happened.
Kanin, please.
I believe you guys will find her. I feel like she has gone somewhere.
She should come back. She should please come back. Rita. Well, thank you. Thanks for your time.
You're welcome. So that's why I called.
That's why I called. I don't know what to do now. I'm confused.
When you're confused, anytime you can call me, okay? I'm always there for you.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Let's use it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Broso with Maya. Me person me come anymore.
You what's your problem?
Keep on asking what's my problem.
What's your problem?
You should talk.
you rolling yourself into people's matters? Why? Scanty, haven't you had enough in this school? Haven't you?
Why? What have I done? Like, you are beating around the bush.
What have you not done? You're supposed to ask that. What have you not done in the school? Eh? You see what you are going through?
Why? What am I going through? I'm okay.
Adam,
Why?
why are you looking for? You know, I don't understand this matter. I don't understand.
Precious, why can't you talk? You are just beating around the bush. Like,
You know what I'm talking about. Why are you looking for Amma? You have no relationship with this, or no direct relationship. You keep on claiming it's because of my J.
No,
but
wait,
it's like
wait.
clearly you are not in good terms with my J. So why are you looking for my J sister for my J?
In the first place, even if it's not my J, where does Amma attend school? I'm asking you a question. Amma is our colleague in this school, and we can't find Amma, and we are all looking for Amma. Are you not looking for her?
We are.
We are. So, our colleague is missing. We are looking for her, so it's fine.
We are all not doing what you are doing now.
And
you are even attacking Aroma.
Aroma is a full suspect. He's a full suspect, and besides, for her being our colleague in this school, she's my best friend's sister, so automatically she's my.
Is it up to you to look for somebody in the school? Is it up to you for you to look for somebody who is missing in the school? Isn't it up to the school authorities?
Aside Amma being a student of this school, Amma is my best friend's sister, so automatically she's my sister.
She's your sister. See what my J has done to you. Why are you still taking Amma as your sister?
Well, what has my J done to
I
you?
have a feeling there is more to this than this. And the fact that you are even attacking Aroma, I don't get this.
Aroma is a suspect.
How?
Aroma is 100% suspect.
How? Then I am also a suspect because she was my friend. She is my friend.
You're not.
How?
Aroma is a suspect.
How?
Aroma wants to use the girl for rituals, and we find out. So that's why I'm attacking Aroma.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Why?
You are not okay. Oh. You are not okay.
So does that mean you don't care about Amma is missing or what?
Care about your matter. You have beaten Seer up. You are in trouble. And you are here caring about someone else.
Yeah, I have to care about her own too. Though my own is a case, but her own too is a case. It's fine. I have nothing doing with her, and besides, I'm searching for her because she's our colleague and she's my best friend's sister. So
you are still calling my J your best friend?
Yeah, he's my best friend.
Adams.
Why?
You've not learned sense. School has still how you came. You are still leaving the school the same way. I'm telling you again.
They say who Jimmy? Who Jimmy? What's the make a tron? My son so precious. I want to who Jimmy. Who can say me answer? Let them say me answer. What do you mean by that?
Got in the gas to tell me say me Jimmy.
Well.
Is this guy okay? He doesn't seem to, but of course.
Aha, kidnapper! Kidnapper! You are a kidnapper! You this guy! You are a kidnapper! Don't think I'm a kid! For you to use my sister as sacrifice! Shebie, what's up? Say you send me a crime, me nyakura ma wo. Me nyakura ma Aroma. Where is my sister? Aroma, where is my sister? Me pusa wa sembema. I'm asking you a question. Me nya ba way? I would just why you say me nya ba no be se be o se na me wa. Bra. You tonya me. Come chia me my J me hu da say. Ade e beto no. Ana ansha panyi bia be kwakofo na ba se bia o mepa ma cho no mitonyam se mintie because e betula na bia sam no e wa ban sam at the time we go and get the government or go and tell the government so untimi ko fami ya ne ben that's na me ka cho no.
No, you think I'm a ritualist? Talking about sacrifice. What are you talking about?
You are a ritualist. You are a ritualist. What?
I have used your sister for sacrifice, for rituals. Is that what you're saying?
Hey, Master, you think we don't know? Yenim what? I can pony your words in Yenim. First, what can Yenim? What do you say? Yenim, we know it ourselves. What's here? Some more kwakwa. No, I catch you no. Mema wenne. I no pay to any me. Say Aroma. Me nua ba na mba. Me chi watum. Me catch you. Me why away. You do on so apini bia be kwakofo na ba bia me to yam se me tie na asem. I'm telling you,
Mike. So now when you say assemble ba am wa be see me to say ya. Why didn't you allow me and your sister to date?
o jale. Say me catch you say you free me nua no na o che won a aka asem sin kanya na me ba bebusa wo. Kanya na me ba bebusa wo. Akamia me chini, me pia bonti. I'll go outside and look for my sister. But right now the curse is you. You caused everything. You use my sister for sacrifice. You think I'm a cat. Yo, Shebibiye. Aroma. Shebibiye. That's my last warning I'm giving to you. I won't talk more. I'm not catch you now. I swear.
I want to make sure you take your time and some more about that.
I was doing some investigations at the main block.
You sound so phone out the demon.
You to calm down. You just met me. You haven't even greeted or anything. I just started visiting.
Me greet you.
At least a formal greeting. You didn't even make me speak or anything. Oh. Yeah, why did you even call me in the first place?
Take. You can't say update me. What's up, mommy?
Okay, it'll be your phone now. What do you mean update WhatsApp session? I said WhatsApp no updating.
Me say update mommy. Bando kwa me ka say mommy kwa onye uja update WhatsApp ne mommy. Me kwota ade aba. Me ba no ayo. Mommy nkom mommy we nteki how eyi bia. Ye mommy. Me kwa ba abechi. Yo.
Meye. Pressure too much.
What's the day?
Man, coffee.
Better.
The browser and panel the pressure beats me today. This cell phone and WhatsApp me update more. I didn't know what me update is. I didn't update the dumpo. The barber stress me life there. Yeah. Boarding cutting crown oil. Don't crown oil me perform. Hey, Accusations. Oh, what's a sprinter? What? Hey, she need DP no. I did also. She need DP. Hey, deliver. Hey, I'm so I don't turn here some trade in come up. Hey, Accusations. Oh, where is Accusations? Hey, bro, get now sending the hey, how are you? Accusations I send the voice note. So the BBI Accusations voice note and kuti. Oh, Accusations I regret. Oh, hey. Now, about what do you know over them?
My. She only me ya debut one mamma ninja home. Meninja home, Makuma, me book grand so. My. You say now I'm a media chef on Fulano.
They will ask Mantini, they will check cream. Hey,
Akuma, me book grand so. My, you say now I'm a media chef on Fulano. My, me damn me now. Me damn me now, my ginger hosa.
Hey, see, plan work. Debbie. Hey, Debbie, we are confusing. Debbie.
Damn me now. I dream now when the near maybe so my the near maybe was assembling near maybe Naji now. My
it's a damn message, what's up? Isi obana o meboa ma wa hwe afra na wa hwe afra. Afra no mponya meda. Oyo onu mum meda. Asantu wa say chance. Wonye biem, wontimi ya din. Nyambe tion wonka. Hwe me hukra, awosikra begu me hu. Uraze.
Unya kwala weni. Ufilia me obie hu se wona me nanyem. Nye wonkwa oni diche ni.
Asantua. So this is what you are doing to me. So you tricked me. You made me sleep with you just so that you could put a pregnancy which wasn't mine on me. Sir Chance, you were coming to me constantly telling me you will help me with this pregnancy. Turns out it was for you.
Baby, I say I want no students anymore. My meeting can about one. Anyone because I still know mammy my papa beer. She will catch you. Me ya mobile who.
Okay. See the men I'm hana me Jimmy into one when you there. Me and the hot. See the what they are why am a plan work boys in day. Oh, okay. So she said me who playing field no. He said they know anyone beko. They know pedal the yam. Mr. Metro on there found full and even though me nam hana me who inkeches them no. Say Chance. Let's say Chance why should we say Chance aye. Say me pede me kan bonu but the way we why a day chepota abru na pede yin sen yishem. Ti da fa ne ba na wo sem dem aka wo mukun. Oh Iraze. Oh okay, say Chance. Yebehu. Oh, the game has started. Say Chance 1 Fanfula 3. Hey,